Novitec, renowned for its expertise in enhancing automotive performance and aesthetics, has unveiled its latest masterpiece, the Maserati MC20 Cielo. This bespoke creation combines Italian craftsmanship with Novitec signature upgrades, delivering a blend of refined elegance, enhanced aerodynamics, and exhilarating power. At the heart of the MC20 Cielo lies a potent 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, enhanced by Novitec to produce an impressive 701 horsepower, an increase from the stock 621 horsepower. This power boost catapults the MC20 Cielo into supercar territory, offering blistering acceleration and a top speed that elevates driving exhilaration to new heights. Novitec's expertise extends beyond raw power to include subtle aerodynamic enhancements that improve both performance and visual appeal. The MC20 Cielo features a carbon fiber body kit meticulously crafted to optimize airflow and reduce drag, enhancing stability and cornering dynamics at high speeds without compromising the Maserati's sleek silhouette. Visually, the MC20 Cielo captivates with its understated yet commanding presence. The carbon fiber body kit includes front and rear spoilers, side skirts, and a rear diffuser, all tastefully integrated to complement the Maserati's original design. Novitec's meticulous attention to detail extends to the interior, where bespoke touches and premium materials create a luxurious ambience that reflects the car's performance pedigree. One of the standout features of the MC20 Cielo is its distinctive gold-finished wheels, which not only add a touch of opulence but also highlight the car's sporting credentials. These wheels, paired with performance-oriented tires, enhance grip and agility, ensuring that every twist and turn is met with precision and confidence. Inside the cabin, Novitec offers customization options to suit individual preferences, from bespoke upholstery to advanced multimedia systems that cater to modern connectivity needs. The driver-centric cockpit features ergonomic controls and intuitive interfaces, ensuring a seamless driving experience that combines comfort with cutting-edge technology. Beyond its performance enhancements and aesthetic refinements, the MC20 Cielo exemplifies Novitec's commitment to elevating automotive excellence. Each modification is meticulously engineered to enhance the Maserati MC20's capabilities while respecting its Italian heritage and design integrity. As a limited edition model, the MC20 Cielo represents a rare opportunity for automotive enthusiasts and collectors to own a meticulously crafted masterpiece that combines Novitec's passion for performance with Maserati's legacy of luxury and elegance. In conclusion, the Novitec Maserati MC20 Cielo stands as a testament to the marriage of engineering prowess and aesthetic refinement. With its enhanced power output, subtle aerodynamic improvements, and luxurious appointments, the MC20 Cielo redefines what is possible in a modern sports car, offering an unparalleled driving experience that celebrates both performance and craftsmanship.